Hello, welcome to the Pharmasave 2023 Virtual Buying Show Vendor Self-Onboarding Training Video Series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can populate your booth content. After clicking Setup, you'll bring up this menu and you'll go to Booth Content. Upon opening this page, you're going to see several elements. First, you're going to land on the page editor. So this is where you can add additional images. This is where the operator, which is Pharmasave, can enter text. You cannot edit this area, but you can populate your booth copy in this page description area. There are different types of text that you can use in here. You can add headings. You can make things different colors or highlight them. And you can lock this if you are complete. You can update the font, you can enter bullet points, and so on. Feel free to get creative. Next, you're going to want to maybe preview your page. As you can see, it didn't save yet, so I'm going to click the back button. Make sure to click out of here first, and then preview. And as you can see, your changes have saved and are now visible. You probably saw that it looked like it was a pretty empty booth. So if you want to add some graphics or PDF Excel sheets or so on, you can do so by either clicking this plus sign or clicking directly here. They both go to the same place. There's some descriptor text explaining how you can upload image files, which are some files that are accepted, are JPEGs, PNGs, GIFs, and so on, less than 5 megabytes each. You can also upload documents in this area, which are PDFs less than 5 megabytes each, or a YouTube link. These YouTube links you can title in whatever you would like here. Then once you paste the video, you click save, and then that will appear in your booth. Anytime you're adding a new document or image or video, as soon as you add that, it's going to go into your booth. If you were in one of our previous shows on Orderies, you're going to see any previous documentation here, which you can reuse should you wish, just by clicking the plus sign. As you can see on the top, you have a notification saying it was added. If you want to view that graphic in a bit bigger, which this is the biggest size it can be, it was a small image added, you can download it to see it closer up. Say it's a PDF with a really small font, you can download it to be able to see the small little fonts. Or you can rename that file and continue adding others to your booth. So it's broken down by images up there. Then we have the documents. So here are all the PDFs. And if you had videos, they would appear here as well, but currently there's none. Once you've added some images or any sort of material, you can go back to the page editor and you'll see here we have 2 items. If you added one by mistake or want to swap it out at any time, you can click this garbage can to remove that media. You can add more by clicking this plus sign again. Once 2 items are in here, you will be able to reorder the page media. The one that is at the top, as you can see, is going to be the first image or material that shows up when somebody enters your booth. So when an attendee comes, you're going to want to pick something impactful. Landscape works best here. If you want to move it around, just click and drag. Okay, so if you have a PDF in the booth, something really fun you can do, so let's add this, is you can swap out the thumbnail. So here we have just a typical Adobe icon, but say you wanted to put a screenshot of the product or anything else, you can just click here and it will open up your computer window and you can add another image graphic. The one thing is with PDFs, as you can see in the media library, they have the names here. Okay. Whereas if you are in the booth, the images are just called image. So if it is important to you that every single item that you've uploaded to your booth does have a title, I'd recommend uploading them as a PDF, save that image as a PDF file, and then you can change out the icon. So let's go back to show where that is. So you can change out the icon right here. with the image. So it still shows as an image in your booth, but at least you can change the name of that. So that's a quick little tip for you. Once you're done everything, you can click submit for review.